US envoy Siargo Gar calls out fake news. What does it mean for India? A major diplomatic development is making headlines. US envoy Siargo Gar has criticized what he described as inaccurate or fake news reports appearing on some Indian news channels. The bigger question for investors is, could this affect India-US relations and market sentiment? For traders, developments involving India and the United States can influence sectors such as IT, exports, financial markets, and foreign investment. At this stage, traders should avoid reacting emotionally to headlines and instead watch for official statements and actual policy developments. US announces major economic offensive against Iran market impact. A strong statement from US Treasury Secretary Scott Bessent has highlighted a major economic offensive against Iran. The message points toward increased financial and economic pressure, with the US targeting Iran's economic lifeline. Why should traders care? Geopolitical tensions can impact crude oil, gold, currencies, and global stock markets. Any escalation involving the Middle East can increase volatility and trigger a risk of more. Indian traders should especially keep an eye on crude oil because higher oil prices can affect inflation, the rupee, and corporate costs. Remember, geopolitical headlines can create sudden moves, so always use proper risk management. Piyush Goyal in Japan. Big investment opportunities for India. Commerce and Industry Minister Piyush Goyal is in Japan seeking greater investment and deeper economic cooperation. According to the report, discussions involve major areas including manufacturing, pharmaceuticals, mobility, and infrastructure. Japan's investments in India could be significant for several sectors and companies connected to manufacturing, automobiles, infrastructure, and technology. For investors, this is a development worth tracking because stronger foreign investment can support long-term economic growth and corporate expansion. But remember, headlines alone are not a buy signal. Always check valuation, earnings, and technical levels before taking a trade. Nirmala Sitharaman's US and Canada visit. Why markets should watch closely. Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman is scheduled to visit Canada and the United States from August 25th to September 2. Her schedule includes economic and financial discussions, meetings with investors and business leaders, and participation in the G20 finance ministers and central bank governors meeting. Why is this important for markets? These meetings can provide signals about investments, global trade, financial cooperation, and India's economic outlook. Investors should watch for announcements that could influence foreign investment, infrastructure, financial services, and the broader Indian economy. Don't trade simply because of headline. Wait for confirmed developments and watch price action. TCS makes a $320 million move in Europe. Big boost for AI and mobility. Tata Consultancy Services is deepening its European presence with the acquisition of a Porsche MHP for approximately $320 million according to the report. The deal is focused on the growing intersection of AI, mobility, and digital transformation. For the Indian stock market, this is an important development for the IT sector. TCS continues to strengthen its position in high-value global technology and automotive transformation. Investors should watch how the market reacts and, more importantly, whether the deal contributes meaningfully to future revenue and growth. Indian stock market ends in red. The Sensex fell 171 points to 77,370, while the Nifty 50 declined 33 points to 24,219. Nifty Bank was under more pressure, falling 236 points to 57,526, while Nifty Midcap outperformed with an 82 points gain. Among the notable movers, JSW Steel and Hindalco were strong performance, while stocks including SBI Life, Bajaj Finance, and Adani Ports faced pressure. The key takeaway for traders is that market breadth and sector rotation remain important. Don't focus only on the index. Watch which sector are showing strength and where institutional money is moving. Trade carefully, manage your risk, and never let one red session control your strategy. These are today's latest updates. If you find this video informative and helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more regular updates. Thank you for your valuable support.